In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can retire your kids within 5 years. I'm gonna share a simple 3-step game plan that you can implement, or you can share it with your kids to be able to do this within 5 years. This is a special video for me personally. As you guys know, I have a daughter. She's 17 years old. She's gonna be graduating high school in 2 days. You got that right, 2 days. And if you've been following my channel for any amount of time, you know exactly who she is. Her name is Alyssa. I've shown her multiple strategies when it comes to real estate. I've shown her how to drive for dollars. She collected checks. But today, I'm doing something really special for her. In addition to sharing some information with you on how I plan on retiring her, or at least having her financially set before she's 25 years old. I'm gonna share the same exact game plan that I have in place for her. I'm gonna share it with you so that you can implement it, or you can share it with your kids as well. Now look, at the very end of this video, you can see I'm standing in front of a car dealership right now. I bought my daughter a brand new car. Well, it's not brand new, but it's her first car, and it is a couple of years old, but it's a really good car. So stay tuned to the very end so that you can check out what I actually was able to buy her and get these 3 retirement steps as well. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is start saving up 20% of everything you make. Let me repeat that. Start saving up 20% of everything you make. Now, either you're gonna do this or your kid is gonna get a job while they're 16, 17 years old, give and take, and have them save up 20% of everything they make. So when Alyssa was right around 14 years old, if y'all remember, we collected a $13,000 check in a YouTube video from a wholesale deal, and we started saving money at that point. She started doing other things to get some money up, and she's been saving 20% of everything she makes up until this day. So she has a nice amount of money saved up. Now, in addition to that, whatever she saves up, I'm gonna go ahead and match it so that she can have a good head start in order to be able to really get her investment business started. So first key thing, have your kid or yourself save up 20% of everything you make, and we're gonna use that as seed money in order to be able to start investing in real estate. But the reason why you wanna save up this 20% of everything you make, or have your kid do it, is because what your kid is gonna do is buy one house every 3 months for 5 years. So you see where I'm going with it, right? So I told you I was gonna give you a 5-year game plan. You're gonna buy one house every 3 months for 5 years, and that's gonna be a total of 20 houses. Now stay tuned for step number 2, because I'm gonna tell you exactly what you're gonna do in order to be able to really generate some income from these 20 houses. So this is my little man. I don't know if you ever met him. I believe I posted a picture of him when he was born, but this is Jairus. It's my little man right here. And yeah, I'm looking forward. He's a future entrepreneur. I'm looking forward to showing him everything that he needs to know, but it's my little guy right here. Yep. All right, now step number 2 is to continually rent these houses for 20 years or more. Now remember, your kid is young. My daughter is about to be 18 years old in August. So if she starts buying her houses now, right, by the time she's 38 to 40 years old, she will never have to do anything else. She's literally setting up a retirement plan for herself starting right now. All right, so what you're gonna do is buy 20 houses. You're gonna rent them out for 20 plus years, and you're gonna collect a minimum of $1,000 per month per house, because you're gonna buy decent houses in decent neighborhoods. Now here's the best part. Real estate appreciates in value 3 to 4% per year. So just imagine having 20 houses you're collecting a minimum of $1,000 a month on every single month. That's $20,000, and the real estate value is going to continue to appreciate 3 to 4%. So in 20 years, you're going to multiply what the property values are. And if you do the math, you're probably going to be somewhere between $5 and $7 million in property value with paid off real estate, because somebody else is paying it off while they're renting the properties from you. So literally, before your kid is 40 years old, if they start right now, they'll be multi-millionaires. And during that journey, somebody else is helping them to become multi-millionaires through the power of real estate investing and rental properties. So step number 1 is to buy one house every 3 months for 5 years, and then you're gonna rent those properties in step number 2 for over 20 years. Just hold on to the properties. It's gonna continually increase in value, and you're gonna be able to collect cash flow. Your kid is gonna be able to collect cash flow every single month while they own these properties. They can literally do this from the time they're 18 to 25 or 18 to 23 and be done. They never have to invest another dime if they didn't want to. This is a simple game plan. Let's move into step number 3. Step number 3 is to pay off all 20 houses over that 20-year time frame. All right, and that's the simple game plan. That's how you can literally become a multi-millionaire within 5 years. Either you can do it or you can have your kid do it. If you're in that position, help your kid get to that position. But this is a simple financial game plan. No gimmicks, no tricks. Simple game plan for you to be able to make it. Anybody can do this. All you gotta do is be willing to put in the work and also stick to the game plan. So as you can see, I bought my daughter a car. I promised you I was gonna show it to you at the end of this video, right? It's a 2017 Kia Sorento. She's a great kid. This is her first vehicle. She's graduating high school this week in 2 days from now. So when we fast forward this video, you're gonna see a clip of me actually giving her the vehicle at her party. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like it, subscribe, click the notification bell. Use these 3 tips that I talked about in this video. It'll literally change the game for you. It'll change the game for your kids. It'll change the game for anybody you want to help out in a financial way to be able to help them get from where they are to where they want to go. 3 simple steps to change your life. All you got to do is implement. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.
1, 2, 3.
Watch your back, watch your back, watch your back.
Go get it, Alyssa. Go get it, Alyssa. Go get it, Alyssa. Look at his face.
It fell off. The ball fell off. It fell off. I hope you like it. We was trying to.
Yes, baby, yes. Mommy and daddy did that.
You gotta take a picture in front of it. It's alright.
Go, kid.
You know me?
Get a ride.